Yeah, people.
I mean, I like brown stew. I curry if you curry. Where with your brown stew? I tell you what, when I look back in here today. No ball on no Jesus
No,
Christ.
Rasta, how you do?
See there?
A French fry goat.
Oh, pull them out. Now you made a high. So your head shine. No high in the night, but remember say I goat this. Say, I have to show that color there. Look how me and them free. Watch that now. Dance me and dance to the goat. Dance me and dance to the goat. Hey, people, when you see me cook the rice and fish ready. And the fla, you must have the goat you're supposed to ready.
What you say enough for me? What you say enough for doing Rasta?
Nothing no can back you up in no way. Back barrier, that's a can come out. You're mad. You must have the head lead at that time. Anywhere you're going now. Your front out a road. Push out your front.
Push out your front.
Yeah, my front. Me no be where you want to say. Push out a road to you girl and see it. Push out your road.
Watch your mouth, women.
Which mouth? I want to the front I can me and talk about you. That out a road it a push. So anyway me go and go in, the back I can't go in. So me go and go in there, out a road, Rasta God. Me nothing can hold me.
So what you have in our bag wrap up, sir?
Mutton.
Oh God, man.
I'll do some
So you're not tired of this, Rasta?
No, so they can't tire that mutton. That brown street today. I'll curry it. One not tied to it.
No man, we eat too much curry, man.
Then the curry best mutton to cook.
We can't get it brown stew, please.
No.
Please. I beg get brown stew today,
They say
man.
curry are the best mutton when the brown stew is not nice.
A brown stew, I beg get today. I want to find out for myself so it's not nice.
Alright, me I go look about the brown stew going.
Alright, respect. Thank you.
Anything we don't want, me put it that style there.
Alright, thank
If
you
you
very
want it
much.
wet stew, you get it wet stew. If you want it hot stew, you get it hot stew. But his curry is the right way. No brown stew with curry goat.
Oh, I
When you
taste
say
it
you
for
want
you
wet
first.
stew today, I want to give you wet stew today. Prince Prescribe, one love, up and running. See there? Let me show the people. I tie it out. See there? Ram goat, as usual. So the favorite, they call the Rasta goated. And the one out the road said, Saglet see me every time he see me say, all right, Mr. Saglet. He say, yes. I'm say, yes, Mr. Goated. No wrong with that. I two away. But he tells me we have a thing coming and what him hiding.
He might hide from the cook-off, man. He might hide.
Yeah, man.
I see it, man. I see say he might hide.
But when we hold him, I go and flag him. So I flag him in that thing we gone before. And now it's going to go worse. How far running? General School, one Martel, Prescribe, up and running. I go take off some of my fat. That should give the dog.
I'm gonna have a feast.
For them feast day today, mad.
Well, as usual, you know, they always get them little plate of rice and something. I cut them in some bite size.
Yeah, as usual. Then too broad.
Oh, it look nice though, the goat look nice.
Yeah. Smell it from my real ram. Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Rank, smell him.
The rink.
Yeah, rank, man, it can't. Real ram goat.
I reindeer that, man.
It's reindeer. We don't want a reindeer around there. I have to go to Portland and go catch reindeer. You have far in the woodland you have to go. I mean, I go run along there something there. Me quick have to catch it goat.
No, but more time when you smell the goat, so, and it will rink, and you think of ram.
Yeah, man, a real ram goat, man.
Sometimes I reindeer
No,
you get.
no reindeer can't piss
Me I
pan
tell
him.
you, say,
Piss
we're
pan him?
going to ask Martel. No, I reindeer them cut up gear
No,
sometimes as
sir.
goat.
No reindeer can't. Nah, you're mad. Reindeer meat deer. You think them are going to sell a reindeer meat like what they sell?
Yes,
no.
me I tell you. Them, alright then.
Nah, yo.
Who know what we ask Martel.
Alright.
I might confirm it to you.
How about that, John?
I look at ketchup.
Okay.
I don't know where Martel bring ketchup for you.
Me not know I must chop on in rice. That not going at this. Ketchup. Me never see ketchup in a goat yet. So put it. Me say Martel, where you can't ketchup for? You have to ketchup in a goat yet?
You might go make hot dog. You might go make.
But with what?
Almost hot dog. You might make.
A goat we say and a curry we fill with. I want to try brown stew again. So me I go near brown stew. A curry me say.
No, like your goat look pretty though.
Yeah, I see it. But me I dice him
nice.
properly.
Cut him up in some nice bite
Yeah, man,
size.
see how to do thing, man. Make the people, they can, yo, thing, it's a curry if you curry not today, I make sense some, so we call it. God know, you know.
No, man, she eat curry goat right through.
Which part she eat that right through?
Regular. She
When?
want to taste it brown stew.
So
No, we never yet taste it brown stew, you know.
Allah, you tell me, we cook brown stew over here already, man.
Brown stew goat?
Yeah, man.
No, sir, beef we did do.
A beef?
Yeah.
You sure?
A beef. You will know too much. You just want to curry this goat.
Me never eat a curry, goat to curry.
I tell you, I go like it, man. Are you a do it, you know?
Yeah.
So you have to do well and taste good, you know.
let me tell you, if you're not no love, it's something we are do. It cannot nice. And that me
True.
tell Martel, Martel know that too, you know. If you're not anything you do, and you're not no love unite, you can't ready. You have your love for it.
True.
If you just say alright, I told them if you do it, me just do it. It can't taste good. Not true?
True that.
You have to make it full of spice and love, man. I love how it road, boy. When you get the love unite, you can't say you don't get nothing, cause all I love God night cooking. All I do love night cooking. For everybody I get. Right round the world. Dalvey. So Ram go to we all look about in line man and I tell the man, prescribe. Love you up and running. Big up yourself, Dalvey. And my next sister name again, the general.
Sister Peace.
Peace.
Forever, J.
Peace. Big up yourself too.
Yeah.
One dodo. Up and running. Big up yourself, Peace. You and Dalvey. One up there, Mr.
I know we have
Straight.
a couple more, but you don't know along the way we are big up
big
everybody.
up the two sisters in them we are going, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Peace and Dalvey. Big up yourself every time, man. I mean.
Rasta, more I repeat to you just a few people.
Yeah. See that people, them a say a stick bun cold. Stick and bun them here. A big wood. Them have to bun a wood, chop down a woodland for bun cold. See there? Look how brand. And this was one piece. And we slap it to the cutlass.
Yes,
big wood.
Big stick.
Big wood, no stick. No stick around here is wood. See stick here? Then you can find stick here. Then they are stick. But them are wood.
So Rasta, that's why we never get no, we call it, a color loaf.
Yeah.
And some coconut water rice I deal with today then. Quick and fast.
You can buy one thing something like we put in it ready, man.
See now. You know, so Rasta you like the Babylon thing here too much fun.
And you like it.
And you like it,
Put
man, you
your
don't like it.
backside and go. You have too much bamboo root thing like that. Yes, you know? Not true, sir? Him like the Babylon things, them. Because when you can come this man say,
Oh, goat, the goat,
no.
the goat, the Babylon
No, man, the goat a Rasta thing, man. I want to tell you, you're mad, you know?
What you
Go
must say?
to Babylon thing.
What am I talking
What am I talking about, you?
Something wrong with him?
So you can't for Babylon, yeah? Let me show you.
Show them what him bring.
This you can't for Babylon.
Yes, a
Catch
Babylon
up.
thing that.
Yeah, because guess what now? We now do no hot dog over here today.
Yeah.
Because this come today. Yeah, dash me, dash this all today.
Rasta, put that in a garbage bag, yeah?
This can go up and go.
Rasta, so one garbage bag going up over there, so. Put it in it.
What you say? A hot dog, this thing here.
This a hot dog.
Hot dog that use
You
make.
don't eat hot dog.
No, sir, me ain't not really hot dog. So my dog a run up and down on the yard. And them have me dog go feed them. And them are my protector around the yard. You're mad, this not ready. The man can't this youth and
So you
goat
have it
today.
tonight?
Ketchup. No, ketchup and goat is curry go into goat.
A brown stew
And
goat
he said,
today.
then all our brown you can't catch up for them. And hot dog.
Hot dog,
That time,
yeah, man. Just shred that, man. We don't use that, man.
Yeah, man, remember say, you're great.
That style.
Yeah.
Greater coat that you are going if you want.
Remember say you're great, I go hard today, you know? You're great, I go hard.
Where's it? Where's the industrial main ingredient?
That is no ingredient. That is an ingredient to go live and goat, me virgin. You could not care ketchup.
Ketchup up, man.
Where my ketchup? Where my ketchup?
The fire go ketchup already. So how you want ketchup already? Ain't that
Don't
true? The
worry.
fire go ketchup already. How you care ketchup come? Where ketchup I go do? And we now do that hot dog over here. You have to go to Stony like them places to look at dog. We don't want none.
Alright.
No hot dog. We want ram goat to eat with white rice. Today, over the yard, we are going to do what? Eat up the ram goat. Ram
Feel
goat.
me?
Ram goat.
Yeah?
Guess what? Nothing else cooking or dance. How we
No.
go say,
Where?
Yeah, it
I
goes-
got alone get him in a character, man.
Look and tell it, my girl. Don't I goats are the best? Dalvey, tell them say the ram goat are the best. See Dalvey, give
Yeah.
up yourself. One love. Up and run my stream. Every time they come over here, look at me and show now again no people. Look, what this look like? Carrot. And a one then can come. And Squidly always that tell me say he want carrot in a fiend goat. Today, look when can come again now. One carrot then can come again today, Thursday.
I call carrots curious, that's
Cat
why.
can't
I don't
scarce.
really that.
Then that done by Wally for dash. And then look and say all them rotten all that dash.
I just
Wally.
know say not to like the natural
Allah ya tell a natural season me deal and you like a Babylon season you coming. Babylon season you love. But the Rasta deal in natural season.
Powder season you want?
Yeah, powder season you want.
Oh.
And powder the long time.
Rasta. Not even know which grade figure today as well.
Grade?
First, me I go eat the
Max that.
brown
That's what I can agree you are.
stew. You are go get.
You better look
You
much
say,
be fast
you
and
say,
grade
you say no
out.
one more yet.
Yet? Because you yet we.
Love where I deal
Love
with.
we are dealing with the food. 'Cause if you not no love feet, we can't do it. You see? If me no love what me I do, me not do it. Me not tell them lie.
Yes, I say, I stopped doing it long time.
That's me no love the work when me like, me no do it, continue it. 'Cause that make me not feel good. But through this make me feel good and me love
I know
it.
say anything I really like, you know, put out no effort in
No,
it.
you don't put out no effort in it, 'cause you just don't like it. See it, but if you like it, you have to put out all the effort to make it come to perfection where you want. No, so?
Yeah.
You don't need that. Me love this.
Or the goat or the cooking.
The cooking and me goat. If you carry goat come 20 times for the day,
So
I
Rasta, you
cook it.
really feel like I eat goat 7 days a week?
Right during the day. Till night come
Yes,
down.
breakfast, lunch and
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, anything you want can come for, I eat him. Goat. Me no be, no eat any chicken, no is meat and fish. Those are the 3 meat me love. Not even the greens like the goat. Me say, not even the greens like my goat. Because the goat are the flavor what I love.
dinner. Really have no flavor?
Crocodile have flavor?
Eh? Kalalu, what
Greens.
you mean?
What kind of
Greens have
flavor?
You not taste it tonight?
Sometimes them bitter no blows and stuff. You know, that, but this not bitter. This not it be meat. Not bitter unless you burn it up.
Only if you put too much
No.
curry.
With curry can't bitter unless how you do it.
Yes,
Unless
sir,
you
you have to
burn
burn
it
up.
up. You have to burn it up if you bitter. So this can't cut, this not bitter. Rasta thing not bitter.
Yeah, nice. It's
Nah,
nice.
nice. I be a spice man, full of spice and love and unity man.
But Rasta, never like a fiddly going, you know, say everywhere you go up and road people that talk about the highly.
Yeah, all that Stony La man I tell you about. Eh? The man I tell you about too much oil, I know say oil have to use.
Yeah,
You can say oil have to use.
Yeah.
But I now use the whole big jail. So the man say with him say trick him do.
Yeah.
When they go say bam, he just put back his thumb say yes, that is the way I do him it. You see, that one they hold him. He takes him out to the whole big jail of oil. No.
Watch out with that local jelly today.
A little jail can't do it.
Yeah, a bug, man should have bug it.
You see all you? Because if you carry one little jug, that's enough. You have to bring oil every minute.
one jug. You
Yeah.
take time use it, no?
Yeah, tell you all and 2 car full and you do it like a goat. Yo, this all, look at it's already, you
You
know.
say, nah, everything them to fit up.
Then the thing them come perfection. One.
Are the demands of food upon right
No
now in
man,
Jamaica,
we
man.
got town go sit all
So
of
you
them
feel
things
say
that
right
work.
now Jamaica need more farmer and them things.
Yeah, farmer.
Yeah.
We need no farmer in our
Yeah.
country. Cause guess what?
And the less
No, no.
import a certain goods, huh?
You see boy with them out the road there, every day you see them there pan.
Yeah.
If you got a bush go work, chop down blood clip bush and plant banana and everything. And start the pan roadside every day. So as you come, what my father, you can't buy me a split. You can't buy me a special like me and them father. Father, they are out of big church, so I'm my priest.
Father Wolang?
Father Wolang. And then they say them figure look freeness. Freeness give a father Wolang. No, now you do the style. You have to work hard to see me one. Sometimes me go there and work. Me I tell on the truth to the people. Man work me. I have all children and
Yes,
fit.
go on. Yes, go on.
Man work, do carpenter work me I tell you about.
So what me I talk about?
Different thing you come in. Nobody bring that in this.
I said,
All children have 50,000 until now me no get no pay. What me say? I me just ride off of the inside and got me out and see me
Right now, whistle.
ride down with and see me I say same along a Spanish town road they see that big MPM building a building in front of the NG where they call CNN. That black boy that we go there so go work and a 5 gunman come pan with them gun. So I feed them time now to collect their money. And what me have to do? Jump on my bike and ride the left that.
Yeah.
Yeah. They say they don't get no money there yet. And for with
no pay bill can't run
yes,
it.
no pay bill can run and from me they run me no get the pay and me just do a jump on my bike the
Oh,
Friday.
that last, no?
And just ride we left them down there until today not the man who get the work don't call me.
Yes, sir,
and them
that's
say
all.
boy come for $1.
We no cost life, no cost
Alright.
nothing, no?
And
True.
me tell you that. So me got through enough of tribulation out the road when me do carpenter work to get pay. From the boss them. They are thief.
And wicked never stop.
Oh. And then quick figure buy material and then I want to pay you. When you done their work, some of them will have to tell us if you go get liar
For forget your pay.
to get pay. And when you not get the work from them, then never have no liar. Alright. That's all them stay. Let me tell you something.
Rasta, you the bird they just forward. Oh, I see you.
You see him?
Yeah, we get breakfast now.
Alright, teams.
Bally there.
We're gonna get one little bird for eat while Rasta prepare the goat.
Who I go shoot him?
See Martel gone for your slingshot, eh? Yes, he can't shoot.
Give me shot and fly. I'll look how fly a little bit.
I when you shoot the other day, the bird tail
shoot off a bird and the bird get up and gone. See the way like a rocket lancer.
Tell her when you get up today.
Alright? China when
Alright, peeps.
Tell her when you get up today, Rasta. Fiddler, who pick him up, yo?
Why people ain't see? And what you shoot off for?
and then come back.
The bird go right back, go sit down for the same branch. Alright people, I want to tell Grandpa now, mission there. So I might try to shoot bird. No, some buckle we have to go put up, man, and make you go and shoot them down.
For the command for them, Rasta?
You have to put up some buckle, plastic buckle, tie them up in a tree and shoot off of them.
This look better than the curry goat.
It's better than the curry goat.
It look. You hear the key word? Looks.
That's why I tell you say curry should have the
No man, you're mad man.
flavor that look more badder in it.
You feel so?
Yeah, the colour.
No man, say, you know, put some of this soy sauce on it to get the colour, yeah. And you want your favourite ingredient, the salt, oh.
Salt.
I know your favourite ingredient that I butter.
One up.
Which one you like more, Rasta, butter or sauce? Or oil?
Yeah, Rasta, what are the 3 ingredients? So which one you rather?
All 3 of them have to work.
No, which one you rather the most?
Me say all
if
3
you
of
have to
them.
do it without one.
Me not do without none. All of them know.
Salt can do it without still.
Yeah.
I know you not do it without the butter.
Yes sir, when the rice done, you still pala pala.
Jesus, just to put in the
Go
butter.
and chat, man, about pala pala.
I tell her.
You hear what I talk about? You ate the pala pala rice here?
The rice come out well.
Oh, go on, skirt. You can't talk something about pala
Tell you,
pala.
say, come on, me tell you, say, I want to better food that you cook.
Better food. Every food you get better.
It's not the best, you know? It's one of the better.
Why must I Rasta?
I can go and chat.
Rasta still not learn how to light fire yet.
Man. This, you see the catch fire part now, Fiddly? Eh?
Only thing that he master.
So I give him a solid 10 to catch fire.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
You can't catch fire like me. I didn't
You know
rain.
that's why I
I
give
didn't
him.
rain and fall, me catch fire.
That's why I say I give him a solid 10 for that part. Yeah. You see me?
All one
So why not get 10 for you cooking,
That
Rasta?
boy I know.
Eh? Cause Fiddly.
Where am I going with Rasta?
That's why Fiddly.
You know say mad?
Something wrong with him?
Yes, something wrong with
That's
this.
not-
Now, listen now.
I'm
Why
gonna
you want
talk
to get
later.
10 when fire come? When fire sit there with bunny up. And the food like when I'm belly now. He don't want to give me 10 for that.
Where I make
He
him
want
bust
give me
them,
6
the
for
food
the
where I make him
bunny
bust
up.
them big burp there.
Yeah. Something where I make a burp and I say, Rasta Jesus, stand up on my belly. And see now when he done, look at me, can't go in no more. I'm rub it belly.
Rasta. Anytime you get the 10, them are going to know say it's not a fraud 10, me give is a real 10.
But none of when me give him no fraud. When me cook me a
So
fraud.
Rasta, the
No
10
fraud,
them.
but you just not reach the 10
All right, me go have Dalfi. When me cook him, no reach 10. Tell Martin.
Go wait till we
Yeah.
go to Portland, Dalvi sample it, and then she give her a grade.
Dalvi, we are going to link you up Portland one idea. No worry yourself. We also the Martel crew coming.
Yeah.
Dodo, Squidley, and Martel. We are rolling. Now watch yourself, Dalvi. We are show up at your place.
And get your 10.
And get, big and 10
100.
you going to give me when we come to Dalvi. I'm sure that.
Alright.
All
You feel so?
right. Oh, you mean that she give me more than 10. And Dalvi love me up to the max. I mean love her to the maximum. You mean my sister in Dalvi up and running. And the next one, where she name
Peace.
Peace. Big up yourself, my bobos. I love you, baby. It's hard to pull today.
Yeah, use it then.
I can see where I'm going with people. Watch him closely, you know.
I try whole light night people, because they say aisle me use. So I
Aisle
aisle mine. Me I go give them aisle.
I
them-
know.
Aisle you want? Aisle you get in today. You have a pot of sizzle already? And then just the water in there dry out.
Sizzling.
Sizzling, look there, see it there? When the water dry, you drop in the aisle. Some people throw it in there. And that's how it works.
Yeah, it start burst up a little.
See it, everything smooth now, don't it?
Jesus Christ.
Again.
Watch out, Jesus Christ.
And Jesus Christ, you ball out, right? You feel ball out, Almighty love you. No ball out, no Jesus
No,
Christ.
Rasta, how you do?
See there?
A French fry goat.
Go, pull them out.
Yo, how much a French fry goat we are going to have today?
Fiddly.
Where
Jesus.
fat there?
You see a spoon there? Fiddly, you know.
Almost half inch oil now, passing.
We dead today.
Jesus.
We're not going dead today. Remember me tell
You see you? I know where we are going to start though.
Yeah, do you have?
I know where we are going to start though.
Yes, I bring the right amount if you
You
get
say,
Fiddly.
they look at 3x7 bag them.
Yeah.
I'm going to start bag up
You
the island
think
night.
sell? You sell herb now, you buy 2 size 7 bag. A highly I can't come if you look about goat, you know. So either you carry a jug of oil come or you carry a quarter oil come. Don't carry a little bit of oil.
Proud of yourself.
What you mean?
Like a something good.
Yeah.
Say, chump for a wall, yo.
I want to lock up chump like I can't get none of that goat here. Remember me tell you, chump can't tell so we go to them eat and find can nice like this, you know. Can never nice like Jamaican goat.
But Rasta, what that goat and a foreign that come from?
No.
Imported this.
Me I tell him say probably reindeer too.
I would have reindeer this
You
stuff.
say no reindeer can't come here because you can't catch reindeer. You can't catch reindeer.
Rasta, them know if you catch it over there.
You can't catch it at Portland so easy.
I know Portland.
Yeah, man.
Overseas, me attack.
The overseas don't goat none for them can't come here.
And they must say it would have expensive car reindeer.
Expensive car that come here. So.
Shemar. Nothing I go so
No, me tell him that. Me tell him say we are gonna ask you.
I'll get in hot.
Man, splash it for me.
We are just on the pot.
I'm a cook.
We are just in the pot. You people?
That's a take time drop with me, because you burn me up, you know, for
Yeah,
real.
well, I never go in one time. So you know, I'm going to take time drop you.
I live off it.
Deep fry this to them on the amount of oil when put in. And a stew.
You see, like all you know, you have banner for around the fireside.
You can see from only outside video.
No, people, but look. When you see the amount of oil the Rasta they put in, right? This is a spring oil. You see when you done cook it? You just look on the top.
Say that, by the time done cook you first and I go ball out. Boy, Rasta, 10 out of 10 today.
What you eat now? Look and see if you now go put one stick of butter in it too.
No, that's not their theme today. Oh, tell him I'll go and Rasta.
A 2 stick of butter will bring in.
You lie, you tell. You can't have me say, I'll look a piece of this one, you can't come up today.
Oh, I'm glad you realize.
So you can't go and
So
chat.
you say water go in already? Think you lock it down if you go and spring it on first.
Why am I cook?
Then again, I know me a cook.
People are water, man, I come with you in already.
Yeah, you're not no sense, you know. You make sure you where move the pot for?
I set it on the fire for you.
Can't pot cover.
No flavor now get for release out and no ingredient today. Throw in the water, man.
No, sir, you can't tell me how to cook.
I want to give you 3 today. No?
You can't tell me how to cook. You don't know nothing about cooking. You can't
What is
say.
your Rasta?
Come tell you say it look too ugly. A curry for the pan.
Yes,
Curry.
brown so ugly.
Brown stew not ready. Me tell you that me not like brown stew nothing. A curry is the curry. So go with your brown stew. I tell you what, me I look back in the year today. With the love of me heart that me I hear. Me not dealing with brown stew.
Yeah,
bro.
ugly.
Ugly. You know, no colour. But when I did the curry give the colour where you want. Just spread off so, and it turns so.
Oh, Rasta?
So anyway you take it the curry, but this,
I smell the pot early today.
you start smell already.
Yeah.
So you know
The curry pot would have take long. The curry
Yeah,
pot would have take long for smell. You see
I
it?
tell you smell off, I go put it in.
But Rasta, but even if the brown stew chicken with you.
Brown
Never smell it. But me I smell that one, you know. Like you do something right today.
Everything do right every day.
What
You
man?
tell him say everything do right every day.
Him not understand.
Nothing do wrong. Yo, hello, pop up. Poppy.
Mind the fireside.
Mind the
burn,
fireside
yo.
on you, you know.
Come.
Can't
Hurricane.
tell me no one, yo.
Come.
Butter burn up.
What can't burn up it there?
Fire underneath it,
Oh,
Rasta.
fire. That smell, you see.
Yeah,
You know
fire.
no colour.
Brown stew.
Fire one go must steal, you know.
Look there.
Alright,
No
now
colour.
get some cool, Rasta.
That's what I'm. But now not. Just
Yeah,
test
you
a
know me, I
little.
go test this, man. You don't know already.
So we do it like this. What I say?
Take off it, you know, man.
Boy, Rasta friend, you know, you must say nothing, you know, Rasta. Cause for concern.
Yeah, cause the concern. Lift up that.
Yo.
Yeah, Rasta.
So, Martel, what Martel?
You think
I'm cooking a man.
Yeah, but
But
nobody leave we in a suspense, man. We could know what go on. We see you take a sip food and you say, oh.
You don't know, so when the final grade come, man.
You say, one review you get.
One to the man. All one with the finals. Watch it till it's over. The Rasta.
Yeah.
People don't know what that mean. Alright.
But I one Rasta I get. But I want one in
No, me not telling you about no one.
Alright, come.
I say one review we are wait for.
Come, put on something back over.
I want you mind the headly. I want review me say me I run to them, man. I not go tell them, say, boy, it a go on good.
Rasta kind of fret today now, because here we go on. You see Troy first. We know it's a fret up on guitar,
I'm
but
not fretting nothing when I'm cooking.
Troy first, yeah, do
I'm
it.
gonna light my cliff and relax.
And then
tell
fiddle
me
it.
boat cook down and then me chewing me
Carrot.
season.
Here's the ingredients.
The ingredient then.
But fiddly.
Now make it cook first before them they
you
go
know
in
why
there.
I'm afraid?
So me now enough recreation pan the see me who are fret as me falling on there. Look how me and them free. Watch out now. Dance me a dance to the goat. Cold water enough to cook goat. Hot water you throw pan.
So hot water that?
Yeah man.
So I'm not saying steamer come out.
Yeah, test it by your foot.
Throw some for my foot now.
I'm trying for your
Yo,
foot.
move now.
You know that just say? You just say what? You know, test it by your foot.
But Rasta, one thing you still want to know, you know? Why you have so much pleasure for cooking goat? When you cook nothing else, you're not so happy.
Me happy if cooking anything at all, brother.
Fiddly.
I don't sad and I don't this happy. Me always happy. There's anything me I do. If it's work me I do,
You're happy.
me happy. If it's cook me I
But
cook.
Rasta, the
me
little,
happy.
all
Listen
lay
me
the
now.
roof, you're going to put on with the age. They say, if you want to spend 2 nights,
Oh, you want to stick in your head. But you
No,
don't put on a roof
she
and
said she
put
miss
on
with
ceiling.
company though,
Well,
man.
we go down the place, stay away. We make sure you happy. Well happy. And if me happy, she a go happy. Because me look at her and tell her, say, watch out. Me not like this.
I'm do this from your heart.
And me I do this from my heart, so me have to do it just like how me I do my one. I ask her when me left. She said, she please. She like call it never. We like call it no, Yana Rawa.
You're not real growing.
I'm not family, it's just grow.
Yeah, that's grand.
Please, I work for me. girl
Family
around
friend,
the
you know?
man. She said she sleeps so like a baby where she never sleep before.
Yeah.
All right.
But Rasta, what me ask you a thing now?
Yeah.
No pertaining to no house or nothing. Rice and peas, you
Yeah.
know?
What rice and
No,
peas?
listen now.
No, when you
Listen
talk about
now.
rice and peas.
But you don't listen to me, I say.
But
You don't feel like, say, and the day after you cook it, it get nice.
you say Sunday rice and peas.
Sunday, Monday.
Sunday, Monday.
Monday time, nice, and the Sunday, though.
No, not all the while. You say like you just don't cook your food and you know right vibes and you want I eat how much and you say blow out. I sip your bad. You go back again. And you eat another sip. And you put on for boy, you put on that for tomorrow Sunday for Monday. You say wait till all Monday evening and you go in that. Then time you look like you just cook your
So
rice
that
and
me I
peas
tell you,
and-
say it nice up on a Monday.
Yeah man. Cause I don't know where who set
Me no know where go and go on.
coconut still you know.
I coconut,
Yeah
I
man,
coconut.
the real natural coconut
I
I
make it
flavor.
nice up on a Monday, so.
Then the coconut make it rice
Nice,
nice.
man.
But it's when you use the powder seed, the powder coconut, it can't nice.
Yeah.
I'm not telling none of like people. People, all like woman them, but they don't want greater.
Yeah.
That's
Then
where.
can blend it
They've
if you
got
know
dash
how
where
to
the powder season. Me I telling you for now, no cause that can't make on the rice nice. Have a sour in the morning.
Yeah.
And try to cook it at one time.
The powder?
Yeah, I will say we have
Yes,
test
you
it.
tell her, don't bring
No,
it.
you cook it till we have test it.
Heat
Heat the rice and peas well nice in Sunday evening. So Sunday, Monday, night morning when you wake up, you can't go near it, man.
So Rasta. So you have to cook it to white rice now Monday there.
You have to cook back original rice and peas back Monday evening. With the coconut, greater back the coconut. Me
So Rasta,
never use no more powder.
You would never use back
Yeah,
coconut
man,
powder.
no coconut powder good. We see them advertise from TV and they sitting about grace tomato, grace coconut powder. That not ready for it. We no born with that.
Natural.
We born with the natural coconut when you grate it pan the grater. You strain it out.
Squeeze your
Squeeze it
coconut
to
milk.
your hand.
Yeah.
With your fist then. Them
You
squeeze
say
it.
no?
Squeeze it to your fist and your fist so you punch boy with it no man. You squeeze it with this and nice strainer. And you throw it out in a pot where the peas cook.
Yeah.
Sometimes you put
With the
it
pimento seed
and then your
ginger,
pimento seed and
everybody.
your ginger and everybody. You can put it on with the peas and make it on the cook, you know.
But Rasta, you know what I like now? Remember when I just come and we a teacher for cook over
Teach
here?
you. I went to that class.
You don't give me my time.
I have to give you time, you have to say
Alright.
something night.
Alright. When
When
I
I
teach
you
you,
want
remember
to
you-
get me out.
remember
Me
you
not
so-
make you get me out. You're mad.
Remember you used to throw in
True
the
enough.
earth season everybody in a one. Me like
Earth
how-
season?
Yeah man, the green season. I like how you make them eat 10 rice now before you throw in the
No, that's all.
Thing them,
But
you know.
look at now, when me put in this a while ago.
I like how you
It have
too
it-
tough. You
It
have to tell
my
you.
head never tough for a man. Because I did tough, he couldn't have him when me having to know if he do too much thing. And nobody no give me no brain.
So which one you feel better? The carpentry, the commentary, cooking?
Every one of them better.
The comedian?
All comedian me can do.
I know because that the people they say have. So
Yeah,
I know which
full
one
of
you
that.
feel.
Eh, feel?
You feel
No,
like
me not feel it now.
You feel
I
like
cook and now go all out. If you all away.
You feel
So
like say
if you not
comedy.
feel, listen me now. It's when you feel, you have a white stick, you have a big black glass. With the white stick we have a red mark, red streak, and I'm say danger, and you're blind, and you go
feel out your way.
feel out your way. Me not feeling now. Look here. I'm cooking and sealed properly, brother. Sit there.
What it up, make them see it?
Sit there.
Look like chunks.
Brown stew goat we have
Look
cooked
like
today.
chunks.
No chunk. Get away with that, boy. Get away with the chunk. See, there's brown stew goat we have about give them today. They say they don't want no curry, so they want like a brown
Yeah,
stew.
but we never eat that.
No, so they never try this one yet, so we're doing it. I'm giving it the right and proper way. Where's some general? Prescribe.
Big up.
And running.
Rasta, we're going now. Where we go?
Man, run like a pot,
Eh?
man.
Nah, run every party now with the people. I just walk up with me have two little tire, set up a skeleton bed. So when we come back, we have deal with the thing, we don't have to buy no skeleton.
So
Alright.
sweet pepper plant like a
And
pepper.
some pepper, they make me start plant already. That's why we don't have to buy
Well,
pepper.
more and Rasta, you sure you and our mama cherry.
I mean plant out there now.
I never see
Alright,
a
see
plant.
pepper
No.
what we just use today?
Yeah.
To make sure set it right there, so. See it me a show now. See it there? So when you bust up, that's a big pepper sucker go come up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I go transport them.
That's what you mean, man. You don't put it far in the high ground. See there? Since that week I plant that set, I plant that in our there. See, so she just bring them come and me just put them and say then catch her ready.
I say then catch you out, do
Yeah.
a burst them and replant
No, man.
them again.
Put some more tire replants.
Yeah, some of me, man, bust
whole
them and
house I
replant
got
them.
One more tire go there, so. One more tire come up here, so all about them we can get. Me I will put tire down there, no, man. And when we go and say
Yeah, so we can stop by them and shop.
yeah, we don't have to buy no more skill when them come right and
When we want to know, Rasta,
Yeah.
why when you plant an onion,
Mm.
you get back a scallion and not an onion?
Why I don't know about that part?
But you know though, if you plant an onion, it's a scallion you get.
You sure?
Yeah, man, you don't get back an onion.
Just
You
one
know that
scallion?
fiddly? Yeah,
You
one stalk you go get.
You supposed to be an onion underneath it.
No,
you
man,
know.
no onion no come on.
So, oh, a onion there.
Me no onion seed.
That's how you go?
Yeah.
Me have to go ask. Seed.
Ask them. Come on, you
When you ever say we have to buy seed?
Alright, me ask you that thing now.
Yeah.
You never buy onion and shop it and you see it start spring.
Yeah, it have a roof on the bottom.
Alright.
Already.
And you see it tip and them start bust up.
Yeah, that start bust up
Alright,
on
so
it.
it's when you plant it,
Mm.
the onion rotten out
Yeah.
and farm a scallion, you don't get back no
It's supposed to
onion.
be a onion underneath there.
It's-
Though you
you
plant
don't get
Irish potato and Irish potato come.
No, but you don't get back no
Yeah.
onion.
Though you get back Irish potato.
Eh?
Okay,
Alright. So,
alright,
alright, me ask you that thing
Alright,
now.
now, you plant Irish potato, you can't just plant it whole as you know. You have to split it.
So here me ask you
And
Rasta.
that's 4 pieces.
But even the thing there, the cabbage.
Yeah.
The cabbage seed people plant.
You see cabbage?
Yeah.
That's why I tell us I don't full on cabbage more than
To me, you know, Rasta.
when it tread.
And I
raw.
never yet, we just eat
When
about
it
cabbage
raw,
seed.
cause guess what I tell us now? We don't know what cabbage, we don't know make it the younger years we have cabbage seed.
Like, yes, like a
And when
science
cabbage bear,
business.
when you plant it and it bear, you see cabbage and no seed after?
No, you don't see none.
Ungo
And
pop chow
anything will
alone.
beer, if it produce back it one little thing for spring off, but no.
Yeah. I'm saying ungo pop chow me see do that.
Yeah, pop chop, yeah.
Pop chow go back it own seed.
But-
Me never see cabbage play back no
But I
seed.
said thing, it onion as well, may I tell you no.
Well, I observe something I know with the onion part. Me I go try it.
I
Yo,
ask Mama Cherry when you go in.
yo, watch that. What I'm telling you now? Eh? What I'm telling you now? Your belly no full. Jesus
Man, look
Christ,
a playmate.
Me no a playmate team, man. Rasta training.
Yeah, easy pot.
No, me ingredients. Ask her to the people, my ingredients. Ingredients.
Ingredients.
Sit there. You know what?
Rasta.
A brown stew goat today.
So Rasta,
Yes, I am.
you know, feel that turn out better than curry goat.
No? You can't turn out nice on the
They
corner.
say, nah, get that kick there.
Nah, give me kick like
So
that.
that means you feel today then.
Now can't feel. It a go nice.
Yeah.
But me I tell you said way. But the kick where curry give you.
Yeah.
You don't get the kick out of the brown stew like the curry.
Well,
We not dig no well, I said the big man, so me not going there.
Water their pipe.
The water that pipe, so me want water, me go there go catch it. So me not dig no well, yeah, so what, yo,
See,
watch your foot. So no matter try me not dig no well, like the fire go down in there. We are going with you. I'm dropping my pepper.
It's a season rice pot.
Yeah. Scallion.
At least the white rice I go full of flavor.
That full of flavor.
Yeah.
Fiddly. Look like you can get the water carried today.
Yeah. Let me take a look again.
Don't walk me back.
Sorry. Open it
But
for
let
me.
me show you, see there? Nothing wrong with the water.
No, man. I look a bit of water, that man.
Little
That
bit of
not right.
So Rasta,
That not right.
learn. Touch this on trade chili rice.
Boy, it I need more water.
Two pound of rice, I can't come.
It I need more water.
Well, I'm asking a question.
Yeah.
Half pound.
2 pound of rice you can
Half.
come?
Half pound.
2 pound of rice you buy.
Half pound.
That is 2 pound of rice water.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
In a pot?
Learn now.
Me learn from Kuya.
Alright.
Kuya.
Kuya.
You learn
Yo,
now.
it's when you cook with you know for cook rice.
Mm.
Use your fork. I mean, I use the fork and test the water. It's when you teeth I fork go. You don't know say now the water pass. When the water pass certain part, if it's a tall fork, I go teeth.
Rasta, you know, so when you cook.
We are going to find out today.
Rice and peas.
Yeah.
And you throw in the rice. If you don't see rice above the water, you have too much water in it, you know.
Nothing to do there. Yeah. Don't you take that so fast? You have to hold it in your hand that people can see it. See there? People.
Yeah, people.
It is a brown shoe style today.
But you know, me like the Rasta.
You see
You
it,
know,
man.
see the heap of oil neither.
You know, see it?
You see the island of my thing?
That's in oil.
Let me show something that you head top. What is it? No wicked enough.
Oh, no?
That 2 pound of rice with 3 man eat all. Yeah? 3 away.
So, you want more?
Less.
Oh, it's a too much.
You see how we can eat 2 pound of rice?
That's how we know you eat 2 and 3 times. Yeah?
When it's a swell?
I mean,
Remember you have your father get some.
yeah,
And
uncle
the
will get
cherry.
some today.
Okay.
You don't know who might faster, you know.
That is true. When it's up on us today, but it's still going on properly. So I sit there, washing off the rice. To put it in the pot. Rasta dodo, up and running. Wash off the rice. See there? And rain falling.
A blessings, man. A blessings are for.
This thing here, people, rain fall. So you know, so the God, I shine up his blessed up and up. So manners and respect to the man above and to all of us.
Yeah.
Me tell you that.
As you can see, the pour over there, I get this done. We entertain with lovely fans. We are giving constant support. You know? Rasta, how you run your hide and pull the mixed vegetable? You never want me say, and them Babylon so you throw an iPad
That's supposed to
and you just a cuss.
The taste of an eye would not.
You just a cuss boy Grace coconut powder.
Yeah,
Now
but
one
it's
Grace
a-
mixed vegetable this.
Yeah, but this is not powder. This is not no powder something.
One
It's a
bag
carrot,
of preservative water and thing.
corn and anything then of this.
Alright.
Let me show you.
Artificial corn this one.
Yeah,
You say you have a real contest.
Not natural corn.
How quick you
Oh. Babylon business him about, man.
I'm slapping you with this. I only like this kind of beer, little Babylon tea.
Pot smell good a while ago when you open it, man.
Yeah, that you like to smell.
Yeah.
Yeah, quarrel.
Skeleton and everything. No, yeah, skeleton and the times and everything when a boil come together.
Yeah.
Eat a nice aroma.
Go on, smell it again.
Yeah, bust it open again, man.
Yeah.
But hey, I said they need for help and build the camera we can smell. You know what me I go build it?
Yes, the camera can see.
Yeah. Me I tell her.
See, no, and below you can taste this. You see where I start going.
Yeah.
I don't want camera if you can smell. I don't want camera if you can taste. How that
I want the guests them come taste, man. But one them smell
and the
this.
guests
You see
them
me?
can
One them to
smell
come
it.
here come taste.
Yeah.
You see me?
When they smell it, I say, oh my, this one delicious.
Oh gosh, man.
You
gosh,
choose
man.
them, you choose them already.
Choose with
They
them.
might say, oh my, this already too.
Yeah, you a madman.
Ocean oil.
Yeah. Right. Every day you come with that. Every day you come with this oil thing. You must think the oil mine is there along Iraq. Iraq, you come.
Oh, you look.
Look like a crunchers today.
That's the rice. It look like it's steamed out properly.
You never say so. So it just look like crunchers.
Alright.
How it look?
Alright. Looks can be deceiving, you know, so.
How it look?
I just want to give one review today. Just one review.
Yeah, hyper talking.
No gossiping today.
No cup of tea.
No critique or nothing.
Alright, work with the liquor right here.
Haile Selassie.
Come here, I come and try to put that.
It's a highly Selassie.
That's Haile Selassie.
No highly today here, Rasta. No highly.
Rasta.
Chatty boy, I love chat, man.
No highly, Rasta.
No set for spring today.
So that's you see, kind of highly.
Haile Selassie Rasta. Look good, man. It look good.
Look good, you're there, the thing you're there, look good.
Look good, look good.
How it look, peeps? Haile?
It's not really, man.
Looks like this is here.
Good, man.
It good, man.
You have to tell you no review about this.
You sure said alright?
I curry what me like. Who the son want brown stew, make up brown stew going up today. Yeah.
Test it and tell me what go
You know, I'll get a review. I quickly I'm going to get a review. Mark, tell you say.
Okay, I'm going to get a review too.
Yeah, I'm going to give you.
Alright.
I've done now some 100 already.
Alright. I hope so.
Yeah. Fiddly.
Yeah.
Today. First, we test brown stew, though.
Yeah.
But the bad, man, I give Rasta one 12 today.
12?
Yeah, man, surpass a 10 today.
Okay. Alright. Hear that, Rasta?
Me that try. Brown stew again.
You may listen to granddad.
Over curry.
No, sir. Nothing can be the curry. Yes, watch it. Watch that up. Watch that up. Watch that up.
Alright, peeps. Cameraman, I turn over.
Is it?
Let's say 12 out of 10. Good.
The brown stew.
Come to test first. The goat or the rice?
You know what you want, sir.
Alright, we try the rice.
I go to look at right, I will cook.
We try the jollof rice first.
What?
The jollof rice.
Jollof rice. You got the jollof rice, yeah? Oh, yeah, look at jollof rice. Okay.
I tell the right people, the rice have right texture and everything, man. Little gravy with up on the rice, eh? Tell me enough about the goat, you know, so it have enough flavor. 1 point to them, man. I say it not bad than curry.
The curry goat charter. Tell him. Uncle the curry
That's all the
goat
charter
charter.
for you.
No, brown stew more goat on here for you.
The brown
Empty
stew
you
goat.
can back man goat, him have the curry. No more brown
No, the
stew.
brown stew goat, we can use a 10 cm, man. No, brother. But the
Yeah,
curry,
how much is charter now? Come up here, we're going.
the curry, would I get 112? Nah, I get a brown stew, the brown stew, alright.
What's
Nah, like,
that?
alright. See, but the man fine and everything. And to the fact
Look at
that
your
you
car
use
here.
now, you know, use some brownie and no sugar.
And no ketchup.
You see me, I just soy sauce and use some brownie. You see me? Get a nice little texture, see me. It's alright, man. No brownie, no ketchup. You go on with that stuff. Go, 10 that up.
Send that up. Me not like brown stew. I curry myself in the goat.
Straight.
Straight curry myself in the goat.
Prescribe.
Curry. Prescribe. Go far run. Yeah.